Welcome again. In the Food Menu plugin series, we will learn today how to add food location. Here in the screen, you can see a food menu. For adding your food location, firstly go to the Food Menu plugin dashboard and then navigate to the food location. Enable this option, location-based filtering for your food menu. Then enable Show Floating Location button option and set your floating button position. Then click on Save your changes. Now go to the food locations from the Food Menu plugin dashboard. We will add a new food location. For this, provide a location name, for example, New York, and then click on Add New Food Location to save it. This is how you can add more location by following this step. You just need to provide your location name to add it. While done, then go to the products and then all products. Click on your required food menu item to add it. And from your right hand side, go to the food locations in the below and select your specific location for adding food where you want to display it. After that, click on update to save it. Now let's back to there. Reload the page first. And here you will get a floating location button will be shown from where customer can select their required location. Since we added 3 different locations at the beginning, so let's test them one by one. As you can see, California appears because we added that location. Now let's search using the New York location. There it is. New York is showing as well. That leaves Chicago. Since we haven't added this location, it doesn't appear here. If you want, you can also keep all your added locations selected at the same time. Now let's see what happens with the Chicago locations. Here it is. Not only that, if you don't want an item to be available at all locations, or if you want to offer a premium item only at a specific location, then simply select that location only. The choice depends entirely on your preference and your business policy. And thus, if you follow all the steps, then you can easily add your food locations by using the Food Menu plugin. Thank you for watching.